What's up, YouTube? I recently was having some problems with the starter on my 40 horsepower Mercury outboard here. Didn't know if I'd killed the starter or what was going on with it, but my engine wouldn't turn over, wouldn't start. So I brought it. I got stuck at the launch ramp, unfortunately, but I brought it home, took the starter apart, and I found out that it was the brushes that were bad. I replaced it, and look and see what happened. Alright, so I just finished replacing the brushes on the starter of my 40 horsepower electric start Mercury outboard. It's a 1982 Merc. Here's the problem. The brushes were supposed to look like this, but on one of them the little cable here broke off or ripped off, whatever happened, and it sounded like my battery was dead, and the engine just wouldn't crank over. I just rolled it down the driveway, got the boat ready. It's down there, got water running to it. Let's try it out and see what happens. Water, of course, so that we don't burn the impeller that I just replaced. Right, I got water. 40 horse, everything's connected. Wish me luck. Started right up. Alright, let's try that again. No problems there. Doesn't lag anymore. Doesn't sound like my battery's dead. I'm glad I didn't have to replace the starter, because an OEM starter for this outboard here is $433. This was an easy $27 fix after shipping. Parts were about $21. Shipping was about $6. Runs good. Hopefully, if you guys have to repair your brush kits, or if you're wondering if just replacing a brush would fix the starter problem, there you have it. It's possible. Goodbye.